Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to quickly use Autosum in Excel Mobile. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. To sum up the data in a column or row, we can use the sum function. But since we are working in the mobile version of Excel, it's not very fast and even more so it's not convenient. For quick summation, the mobile version of Excel has an Autosum button. Let's use it. For example, we need the sum of all the values in column A. Select the cell A7, then tap on the arrow in the lower right corner and an analog of the ribbon opens, as in the desktop version of Excel. Scroll to the very bottom of the Home tab until the Autosum button appears. Tap on it and select the sum function. As you can see, Excel immediately understands that it's necessary to sum up all the values above the cell A7. And all we have to do is confirm this. We just click on the green check mark and the sum is received. And in order not to sum up each column or row individually, first select the empty row under the values. In this case, it's row number 7, and then click Autosum. We do the same with the column. As you can see, all the values in the columns and rows are calculated. And if you need to sum up all the columns and rows at the same time, then select the entire range and then click Autosum. And everything is calculated. Fast and convenient. And that's it. Now in Autosum.